This video is about a demonstration of my new project. My new project is a widget which can be used in Android, iOS and web application, and this widget can be used to search the trucks which is nearby your area at the cheapest price. Here I will demonstrate how it works using an Android application. This is that application. Here you can see the UI, and when we search truck, autocomplete table will come and show many of trucks, and here we will select one among them and click search button. Then there we will see all the details about that truck and its configuration. We can change it according to our requirement. Here I will select one. We can change the form of it, dosage and quantity. Now we have to type our location code or zip code, then click calculate price. There we will see all the details about the nearby pharmacies at the cheapest price. When we click one among them, we can get more details about that and also its price. When we click the text button, here we have to type our number. When we type the number, a discount card will be sent to your number, and using that discount card we will get reduction in price. Also there is a facility to send to email. Okay, this is my project, and my name is Arvindamam, and currently I am working as a Flutter developer in Blackcoffer. This company is very good company. I got a lot of opportunity to learn new technologies, and I'm assured that this company will help to brighten my future. Thank you.